Today, we're just going to do a super simple thing. I'm going to share with you how to link up your YouTube channel with your Kajabi website, blog, and maybe even some online courses. Now, why would you want to link up your YouTube to your Kajabi blog? I just really have to emphasize this because YouTube, as we all know, is one of the biggest search engines. So if you have a video for each blog that you do, and you embed the video in your blog, it's going to boost the SEO. So Kajabi has never really had a great review on the SEO of their blog. It's not the same as WordPress. However, it's definitely starting to catch up. There are ways that you can now SEO optimize it. I'll save that for another video. But today we're just going to, that little widget that you can get on your website where all a person needs to do is click on it and they go directly to your subscription page, like subscribe. We're going to do that. I'm going to show you how to get the code to put that anywhere on your site. So we're going to do that first. The second thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to take a YouTube video and embed it into your blog. Then I'm also going to show you how to embed a video onto any one of your landing pages. And then I'm also going to show you how to get a YouTube video into your online courses. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. I'm trying to do this in under 5 minutes. So you think we can? All right, it's time to get the glasses on. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to developers.google.com/YouTube. What we're going to do here is we're going to grab the code from your YouTube channel. So it's would be helpful if you were already logged into your YouTube channel so that you could just follow along. If you need to put me on pause and do that, go ahead, but we're just going to dive in. Okay, so you're on this page and you're going to just scroll down and click on subscribe buttons. Once you're there, go on to the left-hand side and you'll see configure a button. Okay, so that's where we are right now. It's going to tell you to get your channel name or ID. Click on the ID, it's highlighted. And what that will do is it's going to bring up your YouTube channel and you want to make sure that you're on the right one. See, I see that I'm not on the right one from the picture. So I'm going to switch my account, put it on the one that I want, and then it will grab my user ID. You see how those IDs change. And you go back and you would just paste that in here. All right. And you can see the preview. So it's got that. And then you can choose the layout. So I choose to have the layout with the picture. You can choose the theme, whether you want it dark or light. I just go to the default, and you can show the subscriber count or not. And then you're just going to go down here and you're going to copy this code. Okay. So we got this copied. Now you're going to just go on over to your Kajabi site. So what you're doing is you're going to the design in your Kajabi and customize the page, and that's going to bring you up to where you can customize your entire page or your blog. So the first place I'm going to put it is on the blog. You'll see that it is already on my page, but all you need to do is basically come into here. Usually what Kajabi will default is you have the one block that's blog listings. So you just want to click on that. And that will show you, you have all these options of where you want to put your media, but you scroll all the way down to the bottom. And what you want to do is add a custom block. Once you got that custom block, it doesn't need to have a heading or anything. But what you're going to do is you're going to go down to the content. You're going to click on these little arrows here, and that's going to bring up this page where it's your source code. And all you're going to do is you're going to copy the source code right on there. Okay, super simple. So you'll want to do the same thing for blogs, and you'll want to do the same thing for blog post. And then you're going to have this little widget up here if anyone comes in, they can go directly to your YouTube channel. Now, what if you wanted to put it on your homepage, right? You could put it basically anywhere where you can add text. It can be put. Say I want to add it to this section, okay? Then I can just come into here and I can add the source code. So I already have it there and it's going to show up, right? So let's see. Might as well just keep it there. Why not? A lot of times people say that, you should not send people away from your website to social media. But here's the thing. If you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and you're trying to grow your business and your online, I believe the two of them will work hand in hand beautifully. There's also a bottom spot here where you can link up your socials. And basically, this is self-explanatory. You just click on that and you enter in your YouTube channel name under YouTube, and then that'll come across all your website pages. If you're making other separate landing pages, you'll have to just make sure that they kind of look the same at the bottom because it only copies across the website pages, not the landing pages. Okay. So basically, anywhere you want that little widget, you just make a text box or use a text box and copy it in there. And there you go. Most of my blogs will have actually YouTube videos embedded in them. So you'll see them down at the bottom so people can just go ahead and click and watch. And I'll just show you how to do that real quick. So all you need to do is to go into the blog setting. Let's click on that. And again, it's hidden in the embedded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come on over to my YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel that you're watching right now. I'm going to click on a video just for fun. And I'm going to hit the share. And you want to click on the embedded and copy this. Then you go back to the post details. And to embed the content, you can put it anywhere you want. Like if you feel like you want it in the middle of the blog, I usually put it at the end. And I'm going to put a space here because, we're going to take it out. So just copy that in and voila, it's there. Okay. So that's super simple. Anytime you do anything, always get in the habit of clicking save. Now you can do the same thing inside of courses, which is super cool. Okay, so if you say you do a video and you think, oh, well, the people in my paid program would probably benefit from this. But you also want them to know that you have a YouTube channel. So this is kind of cross-mingling so that they can help you on your YouTube channel, grow the YouTube channel. And then also you're helping them by putting things together in a tight little package. So it's a win-win situation, right? Okay, so we're going to just click on over to courses. I'm inside the Walk It Off program. And I have these in the Spice Up Your Walks. I have some of these guided walks. So what if I went ahead and grabbed the video? So what I do inside the program is I give the audio. But what would it look like if I decided to bring the video over? I'm going to put in this walking workout with intervals and affirmations. So that is this one right here. So I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to share it, grab this embedded code, and then I'm going to go in. I'm going to source code. So perhaps I want this to be the first thing. So I usually just make a space there and okay. And it's going to show up there. Okay, so they can go ahead and watch on YouTube. But if they don't have like YouTube Premium, then they're going to get ads with this, whether I'm monetized or not. So that's why as a superior service, they get the audio that will never have an ad to it. Okay. So that's that. So I'll hit save. The same is true for landing page. Kajabi makes it a little bit easier. I have a basic speaking page. This really needs to be updated. So what I did here is this is a speaking bite of me telling a story. And this is actually embedded in the video embedded. So whether you have a sample on Vimeo or YouTube or whatever, this is just doing the same thing as I just did, is going over to here, grabbing this embedded code and putting it in the Kajabi landing page. So you have that option when you say add content, you can add custom code, but you can also add a video embedded right here. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring up where you can put the embedded code. So say I decided I'm going to put the walking intervals, and then you can, change the size and do whatever you want. You decide that you don't want it, you could just hide it, and maybe you want it for later. And whenever you're done your work, you always hit save. So there you have it. That was super simple. I had a goal of doing this video in under 5 minutes. It takes a little bit longer when you're describing how to do it. And, one of the things that I've come to understand is that anything that you're building online and, in real life for that matter, usually takes twice as long as you budgeted the time for. So remember that when you're going out and you're building your online courses or creating your videos or creating your content, to give yourself a little bit of break. If you're new here, thanks for watching. If you've returned, welcome back. My name is Karen, and on this channel, I help you simplify your methods so that you can continue to write your online courses and your creative nonfiction seamlessly and actually get it out into the world. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing. It's totally free and it helps the channel. It enables me to continue to make videos just like this one. If you're curious about other Kajabi things, drop them in the comments below so that I know what types of videos that you're looking for. It helps me really shape my content because, I'm here for you. As always, trust the process, and I'll see you in the next video.